that I am the princess, and I need your help to take me back to the queen.
The thing is, they won't just let anyone into the castle. We have to convince them that you're royalty.
But how would I do that?
I have an idea. Come on, we're going shopping.
Are you sure this outfit isn't too much?
No, I think it's perfect. It shows the queen that you know how to dress like a princess.
If you say so.
Wait here. The queen will see you in just a moment. Hey, it's gonna be alright. She'll remember you.
Grandma, I thought I never—
See me again. I've heard it all before. Tell me something that only my Annalise would know.
Well, I can't exactly do that because a lot of my memories got lost, but I remember you.
Stop. My heart can't take this anymore. She's just another girl pretending to be my granddaughter. Take her away.
No, please. I came all this way to see you. I'm sure I can remember something.
Let's go.
Carousel music box. It was blue. You gave it to me.
Wait.
Babe, I got—
Don't you dare use any more of those words. Understand? 5 million words? That's ridiculous. You won't be using any of those. What did I tell you about talking?
I'm breaking up with you.
Oh, really? Where are you gonna go? You don't have any money. 9 million words this year, huh? No one needs that many. Hey, I need you to go to the store for me. I don't like that pink shirt you bought yesterday. I want you to return it. You're allowed to use 3 words maximum when you go out. Don't be playing games with me this time. I'll be checking your words when you get back.
Hi, what would you like to return? Just that? Okay, hold on 1 second. That'll be $6.99 back on the card.
Please help me. Please help me.
Oh, did you need my help finding something in the store, or?
Hey, can we hurry up the line? I'm on my lunch break. I don't got all day.
Do you need medical attention?
No.
Hey, it's okay. Can you wait over there for me, hun, and I'll get someone to help you.
You're allowed to use 3 words maximum when you go out. Don't be playing games with me this time. I'll be checking your words when you get back.
I'm so sorry. The line is really busy right now, but my manager will be over here to help you soon.
There you are. You took forever. Did you return the shirt? Good. Let's get out of here. Damn, why do I feel like I'm forgetting to do something? Wait a minute. You were supposed to make dinner tonight. Go on. What? Is dinner ready? Hey, 8,996? You used an extra word, and you're gonna tell me why.
Pick a soulmate from my galaxy or Earth. I've always wanted to meet a human, so I guess I will go with Earth.
Activating soulmate string. It will move when your soulmate is close.
Hi, princess. Whoa! How do you get your soulmate string to move? Mine has been not moving. Where'd you pick your soulmate to be from?
Oh, well, I picked a human from Earth.
Your soulmate string won't work.
What?
It only works if your soulmate is on the same planet as you.
How could you pick a human?
I am sorry, Mother. I let my curiosity of humans get the best of me.
You will be single for the rest of your life now.
My soulmate string cannot be moving. That would mean that my soulmate is—
Intruder alert.
close by.
Hi. I believe the string led me to you. You used an extra word, and you're gonna tell me why. Go on, talk. Explain yourself.
It was an accident. I was just telling the cashier thanks.
Uh-huh. You sure about that?
Yes, I swear.
You should really have your dinner. It's getting cold.
That's enough talking out of you. Go to sleep. Bed, now. How did you make that chicken?
Why?
Because after I ate it, my head is filling.
My phone is dead, and his is locked away. I have to get the charger. Please hurry up. Yes. 911, what's your emergency?
I need help.
Thank you for the information, ma'am. Officers will arrive shortly.
You thought you could get away with putting something in my food? Your words. Why did you use up so many? Actually, don't speak. I'll find out. You can't outsmart me. So step away from the girl. Let's see your hands.
Looks like I just did.
No.
Believe your soulmate string led you to me?
Yeah, I was in my space shuttle, and the next thing I know, I'm being pulled into your spaceship.
So this must mean that you are a human.
Yeah. This technology is amazing. Is this your ship?
Yes, please do not touch anything. My mother will get very upset.
Mother? Wait, who's your mom?
She is the queen of this galaxy, and she does not
A
like—
human. Get him.
Whoa, whoa, hey, I come in peace.
Mother, wait. We are connected. He is my soulmate, see?
Yeah. Bring the human to my lab.
No, hey, guys, wait. Princess, please, do something.
Make sure he can't move.
Stop. No, let me go.
You must kiss the human to detach your string.
You will allow us to do that?
Yes, remove his helmet.
No.
What is wrong, human?
I can't breathe.
Go on, kiss him to remove the string, then he shall die.
I wanna let him unwrap me like a loose. Get on top of him by the fireplace, oh. But I don't want nobody behind.
Get adopted by a fireman or a billionaire? I think we should go with fireman because he's gonna keep us safe.
Yeah, I think so too.
Nope, billionaire.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
So, what are your names?
I'm Margot.
I'm Edith.
And this is Agnes.
Nice to meet you. Well, this is my home. I'll be right back.
Okay. This place is kinda creepy.
It is.
There's nothing to watch. Did you hear that?
I did. What was that?
Did you guys hear that?
Yeah, I think it's coming from over there. There was definitely someone down there. I told you, Agnes, we should have picked the fireman.
Excuse me, I need to speak with you.
Me?
Yes, you. I have a secret that you need to know.
There once was a lass in sight to see, ordered by the king to stay away from me. A princess should not fall in love with a commoner and a thief. So I sang this siren song in hopes one day she will come home with more than her weight in gold to take.
I let you hold my baby and I want her back.
Please, hold my baby. Ma'am, I'm sorry, do you even hear yourself? It's been 7 years. I waited hours for you to come back, and when you didn't, I decided to raise that baby by myself. As far as I'm concerned, she's my kid now.
No, that is what you call kidnapping.
That is not.
It absolutely is. I am calling the police.
What's wrong, Mom?
Honey, are you happy here with me?
Of course I am. Why wouldn't I be?
Well, there's no easy way to say this, but I'm not actually your real mom.
What are you talking about?
So that's how I became your mom. But now your biological mom wants you back.
I don't care if you're not my real mom. I want to stay with you.
Police, open the door, please.
Oh no.
Please don't let them take me.
So, what's your secret?
I have a secret lab and I know you girls saw it.
No, we didn't.
Don't lie to me. I have cameras everywhere. I saw you.
Creepy much? Okay, maybe we did.
Well, I can't have you telling anyone about the lab.
Uh-huh. Sounds like I should be calling CPS.
No, I need you girls to help me with my plan.
And what plan is that exactly?
Go get your sisters and follow me.
Whoa, what is that?
Is that a laser?
No.
Who are you?
I'm the doctor you saw in the lab.
Well, what is this thing?
My greatest achievement, a shrink ray.
And we need human subjects to test it on.
The doctor and I created this together.
Wait a minute, so you're telling us that the only reason you adopted us was so you could use us as your lab rats?
Not cool, dude.
Yeah, I think we'll pass on that.
Actually, we weren't asking.
Run!
Wait,
Pick a title, famous or queen. I mean, who wouldn't want to be royalty? Wait, Queen of Men? What does that even mean?
Hey girl, what's wrong?
I don't know, I just got a really weird title, Queen of Men.
Ooh, I wonder what that means.
hey, somebody's looking nice today.
Ross, you literally have hated me since the 3rd grade.
You're too funny.
I think you can control men.
There's no way.
You have 10 missing assignments. I'm calling your parents.
Please don't tell them, I'm gonna get grounded.
Actually, on second thought, take as long as you need. I won't tell anyone, beautiful.
You can control them.
Hey, I did your chemistry homework.
Thanks.
Go get me some Chick-fil-A, please.
Yeah, of course, anything for you.
You're kind of taking advantage of—
Go away, my crush is coming. Hey, Tyler. Go on a date with me?
Huh, maybe, but first, go break up with my girlfriend for me.
Now your biological mom wants you back.
I don't care if you're not my real mom. I want to stay with you.
Police, open the door, please.
Oh no.
Please don't let them take me.
Honey?
Shh. She's sleeping.
Sorry, but what did the officer tell you?
That I'm supposed to give her back to her biological mom tomorrow.
What?
That can't be right.
I promised her that she could stay with me. Oh, don't you worry. We'll figure this out. Please.
I'll get it.
Miss Stevens?
Yes?
I'm here because we have reason to believe someone came to your house pretending to be an officer today. Him and his wife have been taken into custody.
Wait, so this means that I can keep her?
Your daughter? Yes, absolutely. We actually believe they were trying to kidnap her.
Honey, wake up. You don't have to worry anymore. You can stay with me.
Really?
Yeah, come here.
Wait!
We don't want to try out your machine.
Yeah!
It's okay, girls. You don't have to try it if you don't want to.
We don't?
No. But sir, we only adopted them because— That's enough, Doctor. We're not forcing them to do anything.
Thanks for taking us to get food, sir.
Girls, please, you don't have to call me sir.
Can we call you Dad?
Agnes,
I was just asking.
You can call me whatever you like.
I feel like Darren likes us.
I like him too.
But that doctor, she creeps me out.
Yeah, same.
Good night, girls.
Good night, Dad.
Dad?
Hello. I need you to come with me. It's time for you to try